Azeem Rafiq is an English cricketer who played professionally for Yorkshire County Cricket Club. A right-arm off-spin bowler, Rafiq played for the county between 2008 and 2014 and 2016 and 2018, making his senior debut at the age of 17. He captained the England under-15 and under-19 sides and in 2012 became the youngest man to captain a Yorkshire side as well as the first person of Asian origin to do so. In September 2020, Rafiq made accusations of racism and bullying at Yorkshire. An independent report found that a number of his accusations were true and the case became a major media story in the United Kingdom. Rafiq was born at Karachi in Pakistan in 1991 and moved to England in 2001. He grew up in Barnsley in South Yorkshire and attended Holgate School in the town. He played for Barnsley Cricket Club. He was a member of Yorkshire's Cricket Academy and captained the England under-15 side in 2006. The same year, Rafiq was the recipient of a Sport England award and came to the attention of England bowling coach David Parsons, who earmarked him as a possible future England bowler. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.